Welcome back. Today, in this fifth unit of Python slides, we're going to do lists and Boolean expressions. So a list is a variable that stores multiple values. This is useful when you have several pieces of information that you want to store in one single place. Lists can include numbers, strings, and other lists. Here are examples. Fruits equals apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, and pears. See all in the brackets. Here, lists continue. Think of a list as a row of boxes where each box gets a number starting with 0. This number is called the index. So here, fruits, see, it starts with 0. So apples is 0, bananas is 1, grapes is 2, oranges is 3, and pears is 4. What do you think fruits 0 will print? This will print apples because Python starts counting at 0 on lists. It's located using the format list number hashtag, where list is the name of the list and the hashtag is the index location of the item. You can also print out a section of the list by naming the ranges of the indexes to print. What do you think this does? It's print fruits 1 to 4. So it's going to print between 1 and 4. Not 1 to 4, between 1 and 4. So, bananas, grapes, oranges. So 1 is bananas. If we go back here, bananas, grapes, oranges. Pears doesn't count because it's not included in the range. Range is between. Here, how to add an item to a list. So let's see. We use the append function. You can add cherries to the list by applying the append function to the fruits like this. Fruits dot append cherries. Now the list is apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, pears, and cherries. That's how you add an item to a list. Here's some list functions. List number references a specific item to the list. Append item adds an item to the end of a list. Insert number, comma, item. It inserts an item in a specific location in the index. Remove item. Removes an item from the list. Sort. Sorts a list by numerical or alphabetical order. Reverse. Sorts a list by reversing the order. Len. Provides the number of items found in the list. Len is basically length. The length of the list. Those are the list functions. So you can try these. I'll show you. Now we have lists within lists. A list can be a set within another list. The second list is called the inner list. You can use this list to show more specialized group. Here. The format making a list within a list is a second set of brackets within the first. Here's list A, B, C, and then within that you have D1, D2, D3, and then outside E. Print list 1, 4 will print B, C, D1, D2, D3. So 1 to 4. So 1, so this all the way to 2, 3, 4. So it only lists, so this entire thing is actually 3. This D1, D2, D3 is all 3. So 1 to 3, 1 to 4, it will print this. Now let's talk about Boolean expressions. In programming, it's very common if we want to know if something is true or something is false. For example, in a game, we want to know if the game is over, or if it's still going, or if a user got a question wrong or right. A Boolean expression is an expression where the answer is only true or false, not yes, no. Here's an example. Height equals 58. Meet limit equals height greater than 50. Print meet limit. What do you think this will print? This is not going to print meet limit. This is going to print true because 58 is greater than 50, which means the height limit is meet, so it's true. Example, test 1 equals 2 equals 4. Does 2 equal 4? No. So this will print false. Here are the comparison operators. This double equal sign is equal to. This exclamation mark with an equals is not equal to. Less than, we all know, greater than. This less with equals is less than or equal to. And the greater with equals is greater than equal to or equal to. Comparison operators expressions. See, 2 is equal to 2, it's correct. 2 is not equal to 3, that is correct. 2 is less than 3, yep. 4 is greater than 3. 2 is less than or equal to 2, that's right. 5 is greater than or equal to 3, correct. Now let's go to false. 2 is not equal to 5. 2 is not, here's a trick one. 2 is not equal to 2. So that's saying 2 is not equal to 2. So which is false. 3 is less than 3 is false because it's equal to 3. 2 is greater than 3 is false. 5 is less than or equal to 3. That's not right at all. And 2 is greater than or equal to 3. That's not right. That's it for Unit 5. Thanks for watching. In this next unit, I'll teach you loops. How to repeat code and print repeated stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there. Subscribe.